Hi friends, welcome to with a new operator. This is arithmetic operator in Java. So what are the arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, multiplication, division and modular. So what is the use of arithmetic operator? Arithmetic operator are used to perform arithmetic operations on variable. So see here, plus. Okay, plus operator is used to add numbers and minus operator is used to subtract second number from the first number. Multiplication operator is used to multiply numbers. Division operator is used for find the quotient. Modular operator is used for find the remainder. Okay, so see here some example of this operator. First, see addition operator. I have taken int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, int c equal to a plus b. Okay, so here a value is 10, b value is 20. What are the addition value of a and b? 10 plus 20, it is 30. So 30 will be stored in c. If we print c, then what will be the output? It is 30. Okay, next subtraction. int a equal to 30, int b equal to 20, int c equal to a minus b. A equal to 30 minus b equal to 20. So what is the output? This is 10. If we print c, then we get the output. This is 10. Okay, now see multiplication. int a equal to 2, int b equal to 3. We print what? The multiplication value of a and b. So a multiply into b, the output store in c. If we print c, then what is the output? 2 into 3 equal to 6. So the output is 6. Next, division. int a equal to 10, int b equal to 2. If we divided by a by b, then 10 divided by 2, 2, 5, 10, 0. What is the quotient? 5. So the output will be 5. Here I have not taken any extra variable to store the division value of a and b. We can write directly a by b in when we want to print. Okay, like this. Modulation. int a equal to 11, int b equal to 3. Okay, so for find modular value, 11 divided by 3, 9, remainder is 2. So our output will be a mod b, that means 11 mod 3, our output is 2. Okay, these are very simple and clear. For more clarify, see it here. If we apply any arithmetic operation between two variables a and b, then the result is always max of int type of a, type of b. So what is type? Type, we know different types of data type like byte, short, int, long, float, double, character, boolean. Okay, so now leave it boolean, because in arithmetic operation only we can use this, not boolean. So what is the size of byte? Byte size is 8 bit. 1 byte equal to 8 bit. Short is 16 bit. Integer is 32 bit. Long is 64 bit. Float is 32 bit. Double is 64 bit. Character is 16 bit. Okay, so if we add byte plus byte, then what will be the output? We can get the output by using this formula. Okay, so int by type of A is byte, type of B is byte. We know byte is 8 bit and int is 32 bit. So maximum is 32 bit. If we add byte plus byte, then we get the output 32, we get the output int. Okay, like this, byte plus short equal to int, because byte is 8 bit, short is 16 bit and integer is 32 bit. Okay, so highest is 32 bit, so our output is in int. Like short plus short, we get output int. Byte plus long, we get output long. Long plus double, we get the output double. See here, long is, what is the size of long? 64 bit, and also float is 64 bit. But why we get the output double? Double is 64 bit. Then why we get the output double? Because in general arithmetic, long is let, this is a long value and double value let 10.0. So our output is 10.0, because 10 here long 10 is a whole number and 10.0 means double is a decimal number. If we add whole number plus decimal number, then our output always decimal number. Okay, so that's why we get double. Like this, float plus long equal to float. Float is how much? 32 bit. Long is 64 bit. Then why we get the output float? Because in general arithmetic, what float means, let 10.5 and what long means 10. 10.5 plus 10 equal to 20.5. We get the output by decimal value, so that's why float. Like that, character plus character equal to integer, character plus double equal to double. Okay, now see some example here. System.out.println a plus b. You know ASCII value, every characters have some ASCII value. Let like a have, the ASCII value of a is 97, b is 98. Okay, so if you add a plus b, it will convert to their ASCII value, then add. So 97 plus 98, what is the output? The output is 195. Okay, so here we get the output 195. Now see here, system.out.println a plus 0.89. Okay, 0.89. So a value in ASCII value of a is 97. We can add 97 plus 0.89. Our output is 97.89. Okay, here we get 97.89. Okay, now see some more example. System.out.println 10 divided by 0. Okay, system.out.println 0 divided by 0. Here always the output will become an error. No output will become, there is some error. Okay, because non-floating point or 0 divided by 0 is an error. Non-floating point means like byte, short, int, long. Okay, these are, if we divided by 0, then the output, there is no output, there is an error. Next, system.out.println minus 14.0 divided by 0. Here the output will be minus infinity. Okay, next, system.out.println 12.0 divided by 0.0. It is infinity. As minus, it is minus infinity. As it is positive, then it is infinity. Why? Because floating point non-zero value, these are the floating point non-zero value divided by 0 or 0.0 is infinity. Okay, floating point non-zero value divided by 0 or 0.0, the output is infinity. If it is negative, then minus infinity. If it is positive, then infinity. Okay, next, system.out.println 0.0 divided by 0. System.out.println minus 0.0 divided by 0. System.out.println 0 by 0.0. Here the output is the output will nan, nan, that means not a number. Why? See here, 0 or floating point 0. Okay, 0 or floating point 0 divided by floating point 0 divided by floating point 0 is none. Okay, and floating point 0, these are the floating point 0 divided by 0, this floating point 0 divided by 0 is also none. These are some rule. Next, system.out.println 0 divided by 12 equal to 0. Mind it, 0 divided by any number, okay, any non-zero value, 0 divided by any non-zero value, the output always come to 0. But 0 divided by 0 is an error. Okay, these are some point for arithmetic operation. Next, now check it in our system. Class test published stated void main. This is the main method. Inside the body of main method, we have to print let a plus b. So we know the ASCII value of a is 97 plus b is 98. So output will be 195. Okay. Next print a plus 0.89. ASCII value of a is 97 plus 0.89. So the output will be 97.89. Take it in command prompt. As compile javac file name.java. Now run java class name java test. See, the output is 195 and 97.89. Okay. Next print 10 divided by 0. So we know non-floating point divided by 0 is an error. Now see in command prompt, compile, then run. See, the error is arithmetic expression divided by 0. It is a runtime error. Okay. Now print 0 divided by 0. Check. See, it is also runtime error, arithmetic expression divided by 0. Next, system.out.println minus 14.0 divided by 0. System.out.println 12.0 divided by 0.0. You know, floating point non-zero value divided by 0 or 0.0, it is infinity. Okay. So here minus 14.0 and 12.0, it is floating point non-zero value. As minus 14.0 divided by 0, it is minus infinity because it is negative number. 12.0 divided by 0.0, it is infinity because it is positive. take in command prompt, just compile, then run. Output is minus infinity and infinity. Okay, now check system.out.println 0.0 divided by 0.0. System.out.println minus 0.0 divided by 0. System.out.println 0 divided by 0.0. I already say 0 or floating point 0 divided by floating point 0 is none, and floating point 0 divided by 0 is also none. So here it is none. Here the output also none, and also here the output also none. Let's check, compile, then run. See, the output is none, none, none. Okay. Next, sum.out.println 0 divided by 12. Here 0 divided by any number, the output will be what? 0. Let's check, compile, run. The output will be 0. So for today this much. I think it will be very clear to you. Sure, I will provide the note in the description. Thank you for watching.